We're going down to this valley, and we'll walk.
Villages, there will be villages in 1 kilometer, and then there will be one after another.
But not even Li Feng could have anticipated the snowstorm that is looming. We are ill-equipped and must find shelter before nightfall.
刚下过雪，就特别不适合扎帐篷，所以我们就看到了路边的这个牛棚，我们就想肯定有住家呗，然后就找进去。
Li Hulin and Chen Tanshuan found each other through a village matchmaker some 40 years ago. They live in a cave house where they work to raise cows every single day from sunrise to sunset.
They were very friendly. And because of my own background, when I was in my 20s and 30s, I also worked with cows as a cowboy. And we were able to kind of exchange stories about keeping cows. And they had about 90 cows, which is pretty big.
For millennia, China had an agricultural civilization that valued family, clan, and the social connections formed through farming. The concept of home was very much attached to the land. A plot of earth watered with sweat, and soil became a shelter from whatever changes the world outside might bring.
He's going to make some noodles for us.
You're like a perpetual motion. I've never seen her sit down since I met her. Tell her that her daily life makes walking across China look very easy.
Very easy.
我们这10-20年来干这个事，如果做越累，越做越累。下午又能做，下午能做一会儿。
你也吃点吧。
我们吃。
We found ourselves at ease, as if we were relatives or longtime neighbors. The couple's warmth made a home for us. We felt included.
We really want to thank her for accepting us yesterday evening. She could have easily said, you know, we're too busy. We really, she gave us her stories and cooking and a warm place to sleep. Thank you very much.
也谢谢你们来这就这个啊，这还比还能溜车啊。哎呀，
啊，你回来了，大哥。忙的差不多了。
哎，你们吃了没有了？
我们吃过了已经。吃过了啊，吃过了。
We're getting ready to pack up.
今儿不住你了？
不住了，我们还
再找垃圾。
还得往下走。就是你们也忙你们的，大哥。没事。
As we depart, I can't help but think about the dizzying China beyond these farmhouse walls.
There is no country that I have been in my life that is transforming itself as fast, physically, in terms of the physical landscape, right? But you see your home village or town changing every year. After 5 years, you don't recognize it anymore. What interests me as a storyteller is are people's emotions, psychology changing equally fast? What does that mean about your geography of your own identity?